Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee. Do you know in Japan they take things very seriously, even things like pastries and pancakes. As of 2016, there was a pancake craze that swept over the whole of Japan. It was so serious that all the shops that start opening up, they all start competing against each other to produce the best souffle Japanese pancake. So we are going to go and try and find the best, most classic and authentic Japanese souffle pancake. I hope we can find one. Let's go. I'm looking forward to this because I'm so hungry. Here goes the first bite. That looks so soft. Wow. Soft is an understatement. That tastes like fluff, like a cloud, like a fluffy cloud. They say pancakes are a type of comfort food, and a comfort food, they are that. As like most people, I'm a big pancake lover, but I have to say, these are nothing like a typical standard American pancake. Totally different. After all, it is called a souffle for a reason, but some people refer to them as souffle pancakes, and I honestly don't know why they've even got pancake in there with it, apart from the actual ingredients used. because apart from that, it's nothing like a pancake. With the chocolate, it's so good as well. Let's get a strawberry and some chocolate on that. So delicious. Them strawberries are perfect as well, you know. Perfect. Some banana and chocolate. The combination of banana and chocolate together. Wow. I think that's why they usually use it in crepes, right? Because it goes so well together. It's like having a fluffy cloud on your plate. It's so nice and smooth and soft, and it's really delicate. I think if I was to describe this in one word, it would be delicate or fluffy or cloud. Let's just say a delicate fluffy cloud. Now there's a part on the top. It looks like cream. I'm not sure what it is. Let's find out. It is, it's cream. It's like whipped cream, but super, super fluffy. I've never tasted cream like that before. Usually when you have cream, it's normally a bit thicker, but that is so, so fluffy. That cream is the best cream I've ever tried in my life. Oh my goodness. I need more of this. I need more. The big secret method in the process of making these souffle pancakes compared to the typical standard American pancake is the fact that what they do is they separate the egg yolks from the egg whites and they fluff them up separately. Whereas American pancakes, they do it all together. It's so light. It's almost like eating a salad. That's how light it is. It almost feels like you could eat loads of these and you wouldn't gain weight. That's how light and fluffy they are. But this cream, like I say, it is so incredible. It's like having one big hot and fluffy cloud on your plate. It's unbelievable. I've never tasted anything so light and fluffy like this before. Despite it being a pastry in a form of breakfast, they've actually went ahead and topped it off with a type of chocolate. I don't know what it is. I think it's a truffle. I don't know. Let's find out. Now the only way I can describe that was a hollow Ferrero Rocher. That's exactly what it tasted like. Very, very nice. What rating would I give this? I would give this a clear 4.7 out of 5. For my Japanese audience watching this, I must apologize in advance because, as you know, table etiquette, manners, morals are a very important part of Japanese culture. Now, I cannot help or resist doing this because this was just out of this world. It was just so delicious. So please forgive me. That's all from me, Maverick Lee. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, check out the other videos on my channel for further content just like this. Don't forget, please drop a like down below on the video because it really encourages me to make more videos like this for you all. And don't forget, before you go, please subscribe. It's very important that I get your subscription.